Saundarya Lahari, written by Sri Adi Shankaracharya in the praise of Adi Shakti Bhagavati. We will be listening to the 5 verses of Saundarya Lahari taken from Nirmalanjali. First, we will listen to the meaning of the verse and then the musical composition of the same in Raga Bhairavi. Shiva is able to create only when he is united with Shakti. Otherwise, Mahadeva cannot even move about. Therefore, is it possible for those who have not done good karmas to either worship or praise you, who is worshipped ever by Hari, Hara, Brahma and others? Shiva Shaktayukto yadi bhavati Shakta prabhavitum na chedevam devo na khalu kushalah spanditumapi atastvamadhyam Harihara virincha dibhirapi pranantum stotum va kathamakruta punya prabhavati. To the ignorant, this dust of your lotus feet is the city of the rising sun to dispel the darkness of their mind. To the knowing, it is the flower of consciousness, Chaitanya, overflowing with honey. To the needy, it is the Chintamani, the gem that yields all that is desired. And to those who are drowned in the ocean of birds, it is the tusk of Varaha. Avidyanamantastimiramihira dvipanagari jadanam chaitanyastabakamakaranda srutijharihi daridranam chintamani gunanika janma jaladhau nimagnanam danshra murari puvarahasya bhavati. Fortunate are they, the few that worship you as a being who by nature is consciousness, chit and bliss, Anand, seated on the cushion of Paramashiva, spread on his cot in the house made of Chintamani, situated in the garden of Nipa plants on the islands of gems, surrounded by kalpak trees in the ocean of nectar. Sudha sindhor madhye suravitapivati parivrute mani dvipe nipo pavanavati chintamani gruhe Shivakare manche Paramashiva Paryanka Nilaya Bhajanti Tvam Dhanya Katichana Chidananda Laharim. In the 1,000-petal lotus Sahasrara, you reside with your Lord, having traversed the entire path of Kundalini, which is the element of earth in Muladhar, water in Manipur, fire in Swadhisthana, air in Anahata, ether above it in Vishuddhi, and the mind in Agnya between the eyebrows. Mahimooladhare कमपि मणिपुरे हुतवहम् स्थितं स्वाधिष्ठाने हृदि मरुतमाकाशमुपरि मनोऽपि भ्रूमध्ये सकलमपि भित्त्वा कुलपथम् सहस्रारे पद्मे सहरहसि पत्या विहरसे. Let all my prattle become recitation of your name. Let the movement of my limbs be gestures of worship of thee. Let my walk be perambulation around thee, my food sacrificial offering to thee, my lying down prostration to thee, and let all my sense enjoyments be worship of thee and thee alone. जपो जल्पः शिल्पं सकलमपि मुद्रा विरचना गतिः प्रादक्षिण्यं क्रमणमशनाद्या हुतिविधिः प्रणामः संवेशः सुखमखिलमात्मार्पणदृशा सपर्यापर्यास्तव भवतु यन्मे विलसितम्. साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः.